Daily English Talks. English conversation. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, I'm really sorry to bother you, but I seem to be a little lost, and I was hoping you could help me find my way.
Of course. No problem at all. I've been in the same situation many times, so I'd be happy to help you.
Thank you so much, because I'm trying to get to the City History Museum, but my phone battery just died.
Oh, that happens more often than you think. So don't worry. Do you know where you are right now?
I think I'm near Central Park, maybe at the west entrance, but I'm honestly not completely sure.
You're actually very close because the museum is only about a 10-minute walk from here.
That's a relief to hear, because I was afraid I would have to take a taxi or a bus.
No need for that, as walking is actually faster from this point and the route is very simple.
Great. I would really appreciate it if you could explain the directions slowly.
Sure. First, you should walk straight ahead until you reach the big traffic light at the main road.
Okay, so I just keep going straight from here until I see the traffic light.
Yes, and when you get there, turn left and continue walking for about 3 blocks.
3 blocks after turning left, got it. And should I pass any landmarks on the way?
Yes, you'll see a large public library on your right, and that's how you'll know you're going the right way.
That's very helpful because landmarks make it much easier for me to remember directions.
After you pass the library, keep walking until you see a small cafe on the corner.
Is the cafe on the left side or the right side of the street?
It will be on the left side, right next to a bookstore with a blue sign.
Okay, a cafe and a bookstore with a blue sign. That sounds easy to recognize.
At that corner, turn right, and you'll already be very close to your destination.
After I turn right at the cafe, how far do I need to walk?
You only need to walk straight for about 2 minutes, and you'll see the museum in front of you.
That sounds much simpler than I expected, to be honest.
Yes, the area seems confusing at first, but once you know the directions, it's quite straightforward.
Will the museum be on the main street or on a smaller side street?
It will be on the main street, and you can't miss it because the building is very large.
Does it have a sign or something specific that makes it stand out?
Yes, there's a huge sign above the entrance, and you'll usually see many people taking photos outside.
That makes me feel more confident that I won't get lost again.
If you do feel unsure at any point, you can always ask someone else nearby.
That's true, but your explanation is very clear, so I think I'll be fine.
I'm glad to hear that, and I hope you enjoy your visit to the museum.
Thank you. I've been really looking forward to seeing the history exhibition today.
It's a great exhibition, and it's definitely worth the time.
By the way, is there a good place to eat near the museum after I'm done?
Yes, actually there's a nice restaurant just across the street from the museum.
That's perfect, because I'll probably be hungry after walking around for a while.
They serve local food, and the prices are quite reasonable.
That sounds exactly like what I'm looking for.
If the restaurant is full, there's also a small food market a little further down the street.
I appreciate the extra tips because I'm not familiar with this area at all.
You're welcome, and I hope the rest of your day goes smoothly.
Thanks again for taking the time to help a stranger find his way.
Not a problem at all, because helping others makes the city feel friendlier.
You're absolutely right, and this experience has already made my day better.
Well, I should get going now, but enjoy the museum and the rest of the city.
I will, and I hope you have a great day too.
Thank you, and take care while walking around.
Just to confirm one last time, I go straight, turn left, past the library, then turn right at the cafe?
That's exactly right. And after that, it's only a short walk to the museum.
Perfect. I feel much more confident now.
Good luck, and don't hesitate to ask if you need help again.
I'll remember that,
And thank you once again for your kindness.
You're very welcome, and enjoy exploring the city.
This city already feels very welcoming because of people like you.
That's nice of you to say, and I'm happy I could help.
All right, I'll head that way now before it gets too crowded.
Sounds like a good plan. Have fun and stay safe.
Thanks. I'm off to discover some history and maybe try that restaurant later.
Enjoy every moment and have a wonderful day.